Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad SHAHRIZAN ZAIDI. My matrix number is EC19115. Now I will present to you our coding for project Micro C for hanger dryer from group 7. First, we will include the content of file, LCD, I2C and -D, and then we will initialize fan connected at pin 9. And then we will initialize the I2C, LCD and DHT, and then we will define DHT at pin 2 Arduino, and then we will initialize buzzer 1 connected at pin 6 and LED connected at pin 7, and then we will initialize Z and Y equal to 0 for buzzer code use. Then we will go to the void setup code for run only once. First, we will initialize LED 1, buzzer 1 and fan as output. And then we will initialize the LCD and turn on the backlight of LCD. And then the LCD will begin. So for the LCD display, first we need to set the cursor at row and column. Then for the LCD, it will display high for a second, and then the LCD will clear, and then the LCD will display member 1 and EC19110 for a second. Then LCD will clear, and then the LCD will display member 2 and EC19115 for a second, and then LCD will clear, and then LCD will display member 3 and EC19132 for a second, and then the LCD will clear, and then the LCD will display welcome to and hanger dryer for a second, and then the LCD will clear, wait for 0.1 second, and then the void setup will end, and the coding will go to the void loop, the main code for the run repeatedly. We need to wait for 0.05 second, and then the Arduino will read the DHT11, and then the LCD will clear, and then the LCD will display T for the temperature, H for humidity, and fan for the fan condition, whether it's on or off. So if the humidity are greater than 67, the LCD will display the value of temperature and value of humidity, and also the LCD will display on because the fan are turned on. And for Z, if Z is lower than 1, the buzzer will on for 0.1 second, and then it will turn off. And if Z is greater than 1, then the buzzer will remain off. So after the if and else, the Z will increase by 1, and the Y is equal to 0 for the other if statement used. And then for the humidity is greater than 67, the LED 1 and fan is on. So for the humidity is lower than 68, the LCD will display the value of temperature and humidity, and also the LCD will display off because fan are turned off. And if Y is lower than 1, the buzzer will off for 0.1 second, and the buzzer will on for 0.1 second, and then off for 0.1 second, and turn on again for 0.1 second, turn off again for 0.1 second, and turn on again for 0.1 second, and turn off again for 0.1 second. And if the Y is greater than 1, then the buzzer will remain off. and after the if else statement, the value of y will increase by 1, and then the z is equal to 0 for the use of the other if statement. So the fan will off for the humidity is lower than 68, and for the LED, it will use the for loop for the LED to blinking for 3 times. And that's all from us for the Arduino coding.
And hi, my name is Muhammad Irfan bin KAMARULAFIAH. My metric number is EC19132, and I'm from group 7. Today I want to present the project simulation on Proteus. So basically this is our circuit for project hanger dryer. So this circuit consists of several components, which is the LCD here, along with the I2C, the resistor, sound LED, sounder or buzzer here, the BJT transistor that are connected with two motor right here, and power up with two 9-volt battery, and the most important component, which is DHT11 here, that are for sensor humidity and temperature. So let's just try and simulate the circuit using the coding that I already uploaded in the Arduino. So for the first phase, the LCD will show high and the metric number of our member. Then it will show welcome to hanger dryer. And the next phase, the LCD will show the humidity, temperature, and fan condition. As you can see earlier, the buzzer will on 3 times. The LED will start blinking here, and the LCD will show fan off as the humidity is 67 and below. If we turn the humidity high until 68 and above, the buzzer will on 1 time only, and the LCD will show fan on. And as you can see, the two motor here will be on along with the LED throughout the process. So if the humidity drop again until 67 and below, the buzzer will on 3 times, the two motor will be stopped, and the LED will be blinking. The fan condition on the LCD will show off. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
So Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is MUHAMAD. My ID number is EC19110. So this is our hanger dryer. These are LCD to output the humidity, temperature, and fan on and fan off. These are the piezo buzzer that will sound when it's off and on. LED indicator to show either it's on over 67 or under 67. These are the humidity sensor. These are the way we place the battery, and the bottom part is the motor. And these are the battery that connect to Arduino. Okay, firstly I will plug in battery. Now I will connect the battery with the Arduino. The LED will appear high and appear our member ID and welcome to hanger dryer. The fan will off. The humidity sensor will detect the humidity of this room, and the temperature also detect the temperature in this room. Now I will cover the humidity with wet tissue. Before that, the LED will blinking if humidity are under 68. Now humidity are over 68 after I place the wet tissue, and the LED will stop blinking. The piezometer buzzer will sound 2 times. I will remove back the wet tissue. So the humidity sensor will detect again. The humidity will go down, and after below 68, the piezometer buzzer will sound alarm 3 times, and the LED blink again. So let me continue again. When humidity are under 68, the LED will blinking and the fan will off. Now I will put again back the wet tissue. The humidity will rising until it reach 68. The LED will blinking. The piezometer buzzer will sound twice. I remove again the wet tissue. The humidity sensor will decrease, and after it below 68, the fan will off and the LED will start blinking, and the piezometer buzzer will sound 3 times, as you can see. So I put back the wet tissue in sensor humidity. Let me rise it. The fan will blow into the side, which is right and left. Now I will show how it look in real wet t-shirt. So here are the close-up video. The humidity reached 80.00 and the fan will on. The temperature in the wet t-shirt are 28. The LED will keep on, and the fan, as you can see, the fan are on. That's all. Thank you.